Hi everyone, this is Urban Heal Yourself, and what I want to introduce you guys is my product, Raw Wildcrafted Sea Moss. And I'm going to show you guys how to use it when you make the purchase. So first off, what you want to do is, we're going to open it up here. And we want to weigh 2 ounces. As you see, I have my scale over here. If I can get this thing open. Oh, there you go. All right, got my scale here. Now, if you guys don't have a scale, you can go to Walmart, your local Walmart grocery store, and purchase you one. You know, they're not that expensive. I think I paid for what, 20 bucks for this scale. But anyway, we're gonna weigh out 2 ounces. Exactly 2 ounces. As you see. Okay, now we're gonna rinse it. Gonna rinse it off here. Rinse it off real good. Get all the excess sand and all the other stuff that may be in it, you know. All right. Let's give it a quick rinse. All right. Now, we want to take it, put it in our bowl here. We're going to let this soak overnight. Now, what I do is we use spring water. So you get some spring water, if you have spring water. I mean, it don't matter, I mean, as long as it's some water. But we prefer spring water. Just cover it up. All right. And then to alkaline it, we're going to add some key lime. So you take some key lime, get some key lime, put it off up in there, and let it soak overnight. Then after it's soaked overnight, and then we will come back and show you how to make the gel. Hi everyone, it's Urban Heal Yourself, and I'm back to show you guys how to make the sea moss gel finally. I am back to show you how to make the sea moss gel. Once after we had let it soak overnight, this is what it looks like. It expands, you know. This is what it looks like, guys. It expands, so we're gonna go ahead and blend this on up to get our gel. Okay, I'm gonna take the lime out of here. All right, we'll get the lime out of there. Now, guys, we want to cut it because we don't want to get tangled up in the blade when we're blending it. So if you have to, well, I advise to cut it in pieces so it doesn't get tangled up in the blade. Going to pour all the good stuff in there, pour the remaining water, use the same water. All right. Put that to the side. And let's go ahead and whip on up to get our gel. Run its course. I'll let it get like about a good 30 seconds or a minute or so. Check it out, see what we have here. some of you may have to add a little more water, but it seems here I don't need to add any more water because it has enough water as we see. So we're just going to whip it up some more so it's thicking up a little bit more. Oh my, I want to be wasting. As you see, it's getting a little thicker, but it's not thick enough how I like it, so we're just going to continue blending it. See how it's sticking it up? See how it's sticking it up? But if you like to get more thicker, which I do, I like it a little bit more thicker than what we have here. So we're going to continue to blend it up some more. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. See how it gets thick? See how it thickens up? See how thick it has gotten? Now, you can add a little bit more water if you like. Like I say, it all depends on the consistency you want of the sea moss. I like that. Give it a little bit more thicker and give it a little bit more water. Look at that consistency there. Look how thick that is. See, that's what we want. See, when you do that, that's what we want, guys. See how thick that is? That's what we want. And then you get your jar, and you put it off in your jar. Good and thick, too. This is how I like mine, thick like this. Good stuff. And you just so there you have it, folks. Your own homemade sea moss gel. And like I say, you can use it in your soups. You can use it for your skin. You can bathe with it, because like I said, it's good for your skin. You can use it for your smoothies. That's what I mostly use it for, my smoothies that I'm going to make here shortly. And, pineapple, orange, mango sea moss smoothie. And you don't need very much of it. You can eat it. You can take a tablespoon of it and eat it raw, just like that. And when you make smoothies, you can just take a tablespoon, put it in your smoothie, add to your smoothies. And it's very beneficial to your health and very nutritious. So I advise you guys to get some sea moss into your system, because remember, we are eating foods that do not contain minerals, and this has all the minerals that the human body needs. So if you're looking to make a purchase, you can make the purchase at www.herbsdoheal.com, and there you will find it in the 8-ounce bag. So go make the purchase. Another thing, one more thing, keep it refrigerated. After you have put it into your jar, refrigerate it immediately, and it lasts up 3 weeks or so. Until then, thank you, and remember, herbs do heal, and no one can heal you but you. Shalom. Peace.